All of us are aware with names like MasterCard and Visa. Recently, RBI imposed a ban on MasterCard, American Express, and Diners Club from issuing new cards. This video will help you in understanding the entire issue. RBI indefinitely banned American Express, Diners Club, and MasterCard from issuing new debit credit cards. Ban came into force from 1st May 2020-21 for American Express and Diners Club and from 22nd July 2021 for MasterCard. These companies, however, were allowed to continue to provide their services to their existing customers. The action came after these companies failed to comply with the data storage norms of RBI. The central bank had asked them to store payment system data in India as per its directions on 6 April 2018, when all system providers were directed that within a period of 6 months, the entire data relating to payment system should be stored only in India, and companies should report compliance of the same to RBI and also submit system audit report within specified timelines. According to RBI circular on storage of payment system data, all payment system providers were directed to ensure that within a period of 6 months, the entire data, full end-to-end transactions details, information collected, carried, processed as part of message or payment instructions relating to payment system operated by them should be stored in a system only in India. Several extensions were given after the guidelines was issued by the bank. Still, companies failed to comply with the data localization norms. Visa was the first global financial services companies to have complied with RBI data localization norms, therefore was permitted to continue its operations in India. So what are payment gateways? In a simple language, payment gateways are technology infrastructure operators who route and facilitate processing of online payments without handling funds directly. MasterCard and Visa are familiar names to those using a credit or a debit card. Both of them are major US-based payment gateway that supports the payment facility to almost all the major banks globally. Other payment gateways are Diners Club, who pioneered the concept of credit card way back in 1950, American Express and Discover, etc. RuPay is indigenously developed payment gateway operating in India. So what is going to be the impact of this ban on banks in India? Not many banks were impacted when the ban was imposed on American Express and Diners Club in May 2021. But RBL Bank, Yes Bank, and Bajaj Finserv will be affected by the ban on MasterCard as all their credit card schemes are linked to MasterCard. Other banks like IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, and ICICI Bank have 35 to 40% of their credit card schemes tied to MasterCard, according to a report by Nomura Research. HDFC Bank will not face much impact as only 45% of its credit card are tied to MasterCard, 15% to Diners Club, whereas 38% of HDFC cards are tied to Visa and another 2% to RuPay. SBI cards will also not feel much heat as majority of its cards are tied to Visa payment system. Most of the public banks in India issue cards that are tied to RuPay. MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, or any other payment gateway will not be permitted until they comply with data storage norms of RBI. Banks dependent on these can either switch to Visa or RuPay or wait till the time they comply with RBI norms and get permission to issue new credit cards. Thank you for joining and stay connected for more such interesting stories.